this video is about the sound so the phoneme as in hat, hello, and home. So this is a really simple sound. So all it is air. You basically open your mouth and have your tongue relaxed in the bottom of your mouth, and you literally breathe in and breathe out. So it's always followed by a vowel. So hat. So breathe in first and just let the breath out with the vowel. So hat, hello, home. And my name, Heather. So some nationalities pronounce this too strong. So it might just come out too forcefully, like Heather or hat. So just relax, make sure it's just a little bit of air. But most nationalities, the problems they have with this sound is that they don't pronounce it at all. For example, the Italians and the French are more likely to say at, hello, and instead of adding that sound. But keep practicing it and you'll do it. So can you make this sound? Is it easy for you? Why not try this little tongue twister? So Harry's horse is happy at home. Thank you for watching and goodbye.